come, let's discuss some of the questions which have been asked in the June 2025 philosophy examination. Deontology theory of moral goodness was given by Kant, and this is a very very interesting theory which says that the morality of the action is based on the rules and the duties and not on the action's consequence, and that was the basic idea under the deontological theory. Now Kant's work, known as the groundwork of metaphysics of moral, was one of the basic example of the deontology theory that he propounded. Now this concept has been propounded by Locke, and this was an argument for religious tolerance that he said under his work A Letter Concerning Toleration. So he said we must tolerate the viewpoint of others even if those viewpoints are strongly against our viewpoints, because in the past we have made wrong judgments about things or actions, and there is a possibility that the view I hold to be true for now may turn out to be wrong later. And that was the basic idea. We believe in toleration because we believe in certain ideas, certain viewpoints that we believe are correct as of now, but in the past there were wrong actions done on its behalf, and it may turn to be true of now, but it could turn to be wrong later on. The next is eudaimonia. Now this is a very interesting concept which was given under the Greek ethics laid down with the idea of Aristotle, and this concept talks about the highest human good, and that is happiness driven through a sense of excellence. And that basically says that it is not a passive state, but it is an active state where human realizes one's own full potential and they evolve into a life of reason and life of a virtue. And when they live a life of a reason and a life of a virtue, it is the happiness which is derived through the sense of excellence, not through any other means, which could be any other pleasurable sensations. The next is, who among the following emphasize the primacy of ethics? A very important question. This has been given by Levinas. Levinas' theory have been discussed in detail in the video lectures by our net experts, so refer those. And this was very important to understand that he established ethics as the first philosophy, and this was a radical move which challenged the Western philosophical concepts at that time. The last question for today focuses on which is the most appropriate definition of satyagraha. Satya plus agraha. So satya means truth and agraha means insisting or clinging on to the truth. So the correct answer is clinging on to the truth, and the one who follows the satyagraha is called as satyagrahi. So this concept was coined by Mahatma Gandhi and was one of the very basic aspects or the philosophy of non-violent resistance in India. So those were some of the questions on philosophy. Of course, if you are looking for complete preparation material for NET for philosophy, that's available on Doorstep under the heading on philosophy, paper code 03. You have the lectures, questions, the PYQs, mock papers, as well as the study material for philosophy. So thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day ahead.